Nyagatari ya Nyamira County Referral nigo egendrete kuyarigani igoro yogochia koinyora rituko ryo muchando bobongo guseri manyikanite na World Mental Health eryo rirainyorwe tariki 10 rituko rya Jumatatu wiki gocha nigo babekire mirobero yo koineki abunango semya barebe abantu igoro yo muchando bobongo na nene koringoria umuchando yo ase enyagatari yo muri Keito Frida Kerubo no roboturwa sobwekiranu Tinga Kisii County chigendete kuyarigania ase ogochigo chengera rituko ryo muchando bobongo gose World Mental Health wona nigo enyagitari ya Nyamira County Referral yemukiriye getambukiro ase okoringoria nabo igogosemia abantu chinjira chiyo gotanga omuchando bobongo ne birengereryo.
Okay, since yesterday we've been doing a mental health screening. This is the second day. It's going well. It's supposed to go for 2 weeks, and the main event day will be on 10th. That will be on Monday. That will be on Monday. So basically, what we are doing here, it's all about depression and creating awareness about suicide. Yeah.
Bakoragwa no munyagitari omonene Isabera Mirieri nigo airerana ki abantu bekerengege kebeso kirie elikorengigwa.
Ase wiki twabwate amagana yo gupima abantu nakobasemia igoro y'uburere bw'obongo nibirengereryo twashagete Jumatatu barachire abanyagitari no bare lakini rende enamba igerense togoteba libu abwate emechando y'uburere bw'obongo bataracha nyagitari banyare gocha ire nakoba obosemi Nkibaranya rutanga uburiri bw'obongo
gukwana negati y'abaringoria nigo baererana kibagokora obotuki nabo igo egetambukiro bakwimokia ase ondora toki no muchando yo ase aene kibuna nigo omorobelyo yo otali gwakanerwa Tinga Kisii boigo nigo baerera chifomu bakwenana ase ekerengo keganirie elikorengia nabo igo omuchando yo kwenekigwa negetambukiro omoroire abwenete kwimokia magega yo muchando yo konyorekana.
We have 2 forms here that we analyze if someone is using alcohol, and we have another form that is for depressed. 5 to 9, who is called or referred to as a mild depressed. This person we provide counseling support to continue to mentor the person. To 14, this is referred to as a moderate depression. So this person also we provide supportive counseling, referred to as a physiologist. 15 to 19 is also called moderate or severe depression. That person is also sent to our clinic for counseling. Then we have the severe depressed group, which is 20 to 27. So this person is referred to a medical officer for further clarification and further mental health.
Isabella boigo nigo airerana ki oboroire bobongo bogocha na boigo kobwenigwa.
Kwanyora maruire na wanya kwa robu sukari sobururo pressure lakini gwetera sobururo obu kwanyora oburiro bwa obongo ni birengereri isingincho ukonya okutwara obororo oso okorora mbobe engincho kwarwarire ukonya kwa chengitari kwenye kunyomo lyo kererituko na yo bwamate bwichinga bwamate gatiyo mugaka no mongina abana na abayiboli nonye chichirani yasomenyete nye bwamate mboli buya nabo konyora wachakire korengeri bube na kurwara ekyuke ikeire asa abantu abange bakorusya bomoyo.
Bona nigo abantu bonsi basabiro gwesokia ase obonge nabo igo koringori wana kwenyorera obogwenia. Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.